Griffin stands as a resilient anchor organization in the community, guided by a patient-centered philosophy, a relentless pursuit of excellence, an entrepreneurial spirit, and the responsible stewardship of scarce resources. Our strength lies in strong local governance, with engaged leaders and board members who provide sound guidance, and a management team deeply involved in daily operations and attuned to the pulse of our community. This enables rapid response to emerging needs, from community partnerships to expanding services. Griffin's recognition shines like treasure accumulated during our journey. We were honored as one of Newsweek's World's Best Hospitals for the 7th consecutive year, celebrated for clinical excellence and compassionate care. Our team earned Plane Tree Gold certification, reflecting our culture of inclusion and patient partnership, and earned Connecticut's first Joint Commission Sustainable Healthcare certification. We were ranked #1 in Connecticut for clinical outcomes by the Loan Institute, and based on improved quality and safety performance, we expect to hear of exciting news very soon from the Leapfrog organization regarding our fall 2025 safety grade. This year, we launched Connecticut's first Empath Unit, a calming and supportive environment for psychiatric emergencies, which can stabilize patients swiftly, begin therapy immediately, and can reduce or eliminate the need for hospitalization while easing pressure on our emergency department. This innovative program adds to our growing continuum of behavioral health services throughout the region, addressing the need that has exceeded the capacity of behavioral health providers. Our journey has deepened our focus on addressing community needs. In collaboration with Team Inc., we also have pioneered an effort that ensures the community's food pantries have nutritious health-enhancing food to distribute. We've also helped to fund community-based organizations that address social needs and improve access to care, particularly for underserved populations.
One thing that Griffin does within our organization is that all of our patients are being screened for social determinants of health, then connecting with Team to ensure that they are referred to those services.
When you look at Griffin Health Services' mission and to the mission of Team Inc. and many other community-based organizations that Griffin has been an anchor for and with, we recognize that demographic is not destiny. And so Griffin really reimagined and recalibrated its way of doing business and has been a pioneer in the healthcare field that truly invests in the overall betterment of its residents and communities, and can also happen to respond to sickness and illness and chronic health conditions.
Griffin Health serves as the backbone of the Valley Council for Health and Human Services, coordinating vital community resources. This summer, in collaboration with the Naugatuck Valley Health District, the Valley Community Foundation, and Data Haven, the Council completed a comprehensive study using local data and community voices to identify factors impacting daily life in the Valley and to guide future programs that help the community thrive.
Griffin comes together with all 50 of our organizational partners to address all the wide variety of needs we see in the community, from housing and food to healthcare and community support. So we all come at it from different angles, but work towards one goal.
We're also creating career pathways through our School of Allied Health Careers, training individuals in CNA, phlebotomy, medical assisting, patient care technician, and practical nursing. This vocational training empowers adults to rise toward economic stability, transforming talent into opportunity.
First, I need to share that I'm first generation in this country. Many of my students are also first generation high school graduates and maybe first generation college attenders. On the most simplest level, I feel what we're doing with Griffin is giving everyone a chance at the American dream. And I don't think people realize that, but what Griffin has partnered with Ansonia Public Schools, they have given me hope and they've given my students hope that their life and their career can change and that the American dream is possible.
Griffin Hospital is more than just a healthcare facility. You are a vital part of our community as workers, as friends, and as neighbors. From mobile health services and education programs to partnerships with local nonprofits, Griffin improves both the quality of care and the quality of life for people across the lower Naugatuck Valley, myself included. I have been so grateful for the opportunity to work with your skilled staff and advocacy teams, and grateful to have received top-of-the-line care at your facilities. Griffin helps the Naugatuck Valley thrive. Thank you, and keep up the good work.
This year, Griffin partnered with Brook Health to improve the effectiveness of chronic disease management by tracking vital signs at home of individuals who need close monitoring, enabling clinical teams to detect early warning signals before chronic conditions escalate into acute episodes, compromising health and driving up the cost of care. Currently, we're monitoring more than 1,700 individuals in the Valley at home.
What is unique about the Brook and Griffin partnership is that we have together built a very holistic approach to how to manage people with chronic conditions at home. Imagine having this little angel sitting over your shoulder and saying, I've noticed that you haven't slept well in the last few nights. I've noticed that your blood sugar is running high. I've noticed that your blood pressure is out of control. Here is what you can do about it. And combining together technology, AI, care teams, prescribing providers, all working together to create this incredibly holistic experience that will keep people at home and keep them out of trouble.
Another innovation is Heidi, our AI-assisted ambient listening technology for physician documentation is transforming primary and specialty care visits, enhancing physician-patient connection, reducing documentation burden, and improving outcomes. Recently, Griffin Health expanded its hospital facilities to include a dedicated suite housing a new state-of-the-art MRI system. This upgrade enhances patient comfort, delivers higher quality imaging, and offers expanded diagnostic capabilities. Griffin is making a major leap forward with a next-generation replacement of the Center for Cancer Care's linear accelerator used for radiation therapy and the addition of BrainLab technology, a transformative step that will elevate cancer care in the Valley and enable our physicians to treat complex conditions with unprecedented accuracy and speed. And in a time of primary and specialty physician shortages, we've strengthened our crew to ensure every patient finds steady ground. Dr. Jeffrey Katz brings decades of internal medicine experience and a warm, trusted presence seeing patients. Dr. Alvin Hill brings bilingual care rooted in community connection, helping us reach more patients across cultural and language divides. Dr. Michael Nasso adds to our complement of internal medicine providers with broad experience in acute care medicine and performance improvement. Dr. Veronica Balbuena offers bilingual, personalized care with a focus on meaningful patient relationships. Dr. Feng Guo, a highly skilled urologist, brings advanced robotic expertise with a thoughtful and approachable style. Dr. Michael Lipkan, our new chief of gastroenterology, brings a wealth of experience and capabilities that ensure our digestive disorders services are comprehensive, accessible, and patient-centered when the tides of need arise. Dr. Ali Sotiris Lowry, a welcomed addition to the Obstetrics and Gynecology Division of Griffin Faculty Physicians, provides compassionate, personalized care that supports women through life's most vital moments. Together, these physicians increase appointment capacity and reduce wait times so no one is left floating without support. Griffin Health continues to chart its own course, steady, self-reliant, and purpose-driven, proving that an independent healthcare organization can thrive in even the most turbulent waters. Thank you for being the current that moves Griffin forward, the force that helps us fulfill our mission to empower people and advance care.